The Faculty of Arts at HKBU has long been committed to creativity and creative practice. Over the years, the faculty has recruited a substantial number of outstanding creative writers into different departments. The faculty's efforts in the area of creative writing, both within and beyond the university, have been significant over the years. The International Writers' Workshop was established in 2004 and has since played a major role in attracting outstanding writers to Hong Kong. The Dream of the Red Chamber Award was established in 2005. Motivated by the compelling goal of encouraging the publication of quality novels in Chinese, the contribution made by this award has been quite remarkable on a global basis. It is worth noting that our creative emphases in the Faculty of Arts often dovetail with our commitment to cultural diversity, the latter being a major pillar that has effectively supported the faculty's identity and development. The value we attribute to cultural diversity is clearly reflected in the repertoire of the choral ensemble Cantoria Hong Kong, which is led by Professor John Vincenberg of the Department of Music. Cultural diversity also finds expression in the very name of one of the faculty's core research groups, Chinese and Cross-Cultural Health Humanities. There's much to be proud of, and yet there is still more that can be done, and this is where the Chinese Writers' Workshop comes in.
相對於國際作家工作坊，華語作家創作坊係更加着重推廣當代嘅華語文學作品。除咗邀請兩岸三地嘅作家嚟香港訪問之外，我哋都會邀請世界各地從事華語創作嘅作家嚟到浸會大學訪問同我哋交流，向香港嘅市民推廣當代華語文學同埋文化多元同埋豐富嘅面貌。
The creation of the Chinese Writers' Workshop is motivated by two key goals: to bring distinguished Chinese writers to Hong Kong on a regular basis, and to create the conditions at HKBU for talent development, networking, and collaboration in the area of creative writing in Chinese.
學生可以透過參加寫作班、講座等等嘅活動，提升佢哋創作嘅興趣、能力同埋文學作品嘅鑑賞力。老師亦都因為參加教學培訓而提升並且改善教學技巧同埋文學視野。香港作家亦都可以受益於交流活動，佢哋嘅作品會被推廣到英語世界，增加外地對香港作家同埋文學發展嘅認識。我哋嘅活動分為3大範疇：年度卓越華語作家計劃，會邀請頂尖嘅作家到訪浸大，舉辦大師寫作班；而華語駐校作家計劃亦會邀請有潛質嘅新鋭作家舉辦講座同埋寫作坊。香港作家仲可以申請香港駐校作家計劃，佢哋提交計劃書之後，文學院會進行甄選，中選嘅作家可以參加我哋為期1個月嘅交流活動。我哋會出版一本華語創作教學手冊，為創作教學保存有意義嘅參考資料，有助於老師教授創意寫作。另外，參加駐校作家計劃嘅香港作家，我哋會將佢哋嘅作品翻譯成英文，並且出版一本雙語文集《獅子山文集》，向華文同埋英語嘅讀者介紹我哋香港嘅作者同埋文學作品。
We are immensely grateful to the Tin Ka Ping Foundation for its generous support. We must also acknowledge the gracious and supportive way in which the Tin Ka Ping Foundation partnered with us to define the vision for our new Chinese Writers' Workshop. As Dean of Arts, I expect the Chinese Writers' Workshop to play a very significant role in developing the talent of creative writers in Hong Kong, the region, and globally. I also believe the workshop will encourage young people in Hong Kong to value creative writing, possibly even as an especially meaningful life path.
希望喺未來嘅活動裏邊可以見到大家。
As you can hear, we have high expectations of our Chinese Writers' Workshop. For many, the impact will quite simply be life-changing.